body in any shape and form is good for you. You don't need a gym or equipment. Just watch and follow me. Country Tanzania, we have a tribe called Makonde. They used to dance Ngokwa years back. They used to dance for calling rain during the dry season. Now we know we cannot control the weather, but we can still dance Ngokwa and have fun. Yes, try. Good. That's the movement number one. The movement number two, you go front and you tap back and you go back, you crab front. That's it. Now it's number three. Number three, you just go back, hop. Go back, hop. Go back, hop. Go back, hop. So now let's all dance together from the beginning to the end. That was Ngokwa from Tanzania. Wow, that was really good. Try to do that every day. Until next time we meet.